On June 28, 2022, airport officers were dispatched after an aircraft returned to the terminal because of a disruptive passenger.
Control 19. They're trying to allow her to come off willingly. If she will not, she's refusing to come off, we'll go deal with her. Okay, do you guys mind deboarding the entire plane so that we do not have to deal with her with an entire plane of people?
Can we ask if she would come off nicely with you first?
Yeah.
If she doesn't, then we'll be waiting.
Yeah. 29 Delta. Excuse me.
Hello.
Hi.
What's your name?
My name's Officer Smith. I'm with Nashville Airport Police. They're saying that they want you off of their aircraft.
Why is that?
I don't know. They just said that you were refusing to get off their aircraft after they asked you to get off.
Right, they didn't give me a reason why I needed to get off. They told me that they were going to talk to me outside, as if they didn't want me to, they didn't inform me why they were going to, hold on, let me catch my breath. I'm like, I don't understand why there's so many people like on top of me.
Okay,
Like, this is
have
not
you had
okay.
anything to drink today?
No, I keep asking for water. They didn't give me water. They told me that the plane was delayed. I just want water.
Okay, have you had any alcohol today?
No, I'm
Okay.
on a sabbatical.
Okay. Okay, so do you mind stepping off the aircraft and
Your
they
name
can
is-
talk? My name is Officer Smith,
I'm
yes.
sorry. You see, I think it's important that people call you by your first name.
You can call me by my first name, that's fine.
Thank you.
Do you mind stepping off the aircraft? We can figure out what's
Can
going
you
on.
let me know? I'm going home, so I need to know why I'm getting off the plane.
So they're a private company. They're allowed to refuse you service on their aircraft. So
Anytime a private company, like a business,
yes, they're a business, so they're allowed to refuse you service.
like
So
capitalism,
okay. So if you do not get off the plane, we are going to deboard the entire plane, and we will pull you off of the plane.
you're gonna pull the. I have to set my intention, and I have to breathe. Stay calm. Stay calm.
So
Stay calm.
I don't know what's going on. Like I said, they
I'm
didn't tell
just
me what the
trying to go
problem is.
home.
So if you will get up and just walk off, then we can deal with it.
Okay, what is the reason why I'm getting off the plane?
They're a private company, and they're allowed to deny you service on their airline.
Okay, can I get the reason why they are denying me service?
They don't have to have a reason.
So they can just throw me off.
Yeah, pretty much.
Are you serious?
Yep. They're a private
the
company.
law?
They're a private company.
Any private company can do that?
Yep.
Can you
So
breathe? I'm getting like, can I have some water? I thought you guys were gonna bring me some water.
no,
Okay.
So
I'll
either-
wait here for the water. I'll just keep coloring.
ma'am, you need to stand up and get off the plane, or every single person's going to get off of this plane.
You want-
And we will deal with you.
You're gonna deal with me if I don't get off the plane.
Yeah.
You're gonna deal with me? What does that mean? Like you're gonna kill me? You're gonna like deport me? Like my family is from Portugal? Like that's not okay.
I have no reason
I'm
to
a U.S. citizen, and I'm white, or maybe I'm black. I don't know. But this is just a tattoo. See, I am human too.
Okay.
Mic drop.
Okay.
I'm gonna be the first female.
Can we deboard the plane, please?
Once the plane was deboarded, Officer Smith made contact with the passenger at her row. The airline crew was no longer willing to fly with her on board. The passenger refused to provide a reason for the disruption and refused to walk off the aircraft on her own. Officers escorted her into the jet bridge.
Walk off. I'm not doing this with a plane full of people.
Again, I'm your captain here. Obviously, you can tell that we have a passenger.
I'm not doing this with a plane full of
In a very
people.
quiet manner.
Instead of getting all the way off, go in the back.
But the only option we have coming before us, if we can't get the lady to help us move on, is for the whole plane to deplane. And then we'll get all our stuff and get out. So
This is my fourth rescheduled flight. Please don't do this. Get off. I'm supposed to go home on Sunday.
I'll just take care of this respectfully.
The water? You're telling me not to have water.
Go ahead.
You want me to take the water?
Hotel 5 still shows door unlocked. May I re-secure it, or do you still need it open?
Control when a clear sheet waiting.
Because there's no reason. Nobody told me about getting off.
Hey, starting from the front, start walking off the aircraft.
We need water.
19, you just want to have her sit back down.
Okay, we need to get everybody off. We're going to get the seatbelts on the top down. Everybody, please deplane in an orderly fashion. Okay, please, let me get your overhead bins.
You got to get off?
Yeah.
Our bags.
Go ahead.
Please.
Go ahead.
Stay by just a second here. Hold on.
Let's go. Just go off and we'll talk, okay? What's your name? Just step off and we'll just talk about it, okay?
Why are we stepping off?
Because they don't want you on this aircraft.
They don't want me on this aircraft.
Yeah.
Why?
Let's just talk
Because
about
I'm
it.
tall, because I'm white, because I'm black.
Let's go talk about it.
I am human too.
Let's just go talk about
Mic
it.
drop.
Let's just go
I
talk
need
about
Barack Obama.
Come on.
Tony Robbins.
Hey, I'm being polite with you. Just get off.
This flight is important.
Let's just get off there.
Everyone on this plane, remember, I will be the first U.S. female president in the United States of the Kazakhstan. Ian, remember this.
All right, let's just go talk about it there.
I'm sorry. Can you call somebody? Can I make a phone call?
Yeah, we can get my supervisor down here and all that.
I need to talk to
right,
I need to talk to my husband, please.
You're all right. We
Please.
can go and talk to him, okay? Come on.
Control, can you share on camera?
Come on.
I'm so scared.
You're all right.
Can I have some water?
I'm here with you, okay?
Control, I am 10-4. Pressed on accident.
Breathe.
Come on. Here, let's go outside. We'll get you some water.
Tension. That's the key.
Let's get you outside and we'll get you some water.
Can you help me?
I'll help you.
get home to Australia. I've got kids.
I'll help you, okay?
I love
Listen,
Australia. Okay,
listen, I'll help you.
I can't wait to go back. I want to go back this year.
All right, let's go this way.
I'd love to get home.
My name is Gary.
Katie, come down here. She's acting more erratically at the
Gary
moment.
is the key. I want to live there.
All right, come on.
Control, she's off the aircraft.
We'll be underway as soon as we can get everybody back seated and thank you.
Here, come over here. Let's have a conversation.
She is off the aircraft.
Here, we'll get you water.
Okay. Can I have water?
Yeah. They're going to get you water, so just come sit down and we'll
I
talk.
think it's easier when we're walking. Can we walk and talk?
No, let's have a sit. Let's have a seat.
Okay, can I talk to my
All right,
husband first?
stop.
Why am I stopping?
Put your hands behind your back.
Why aren't you arresting me? Are you serious?
Let's right here. No! You're going to get tased. Get on the fucking ground right now.
Why? I want to call my husband!
Get the other car.
Give me your arm now.
They have her in control.
All right.
1911, 10-4.
We're 10-4, we are 10-15. Lock your cuffs. I don't know how to do it.
Jesus Christ.
I can get off myself.
Sit down.
Okay. I'm sorry. I'm not going to go anywhere. I'm sorry. I just wanted to talk to my husband and I asked for water.
Please close your dress. Let me close your dress.
Sorry, it's hot.
Farmer, let her stand up.
I just want water. Can I stand up?
Yeah.
I can get up by myself.
1, 2, 3.
Stand up. Okay. We're going to close your dress.
Is that a camera?
Yes.
That's cool. Where does it go?
I don't understand your question.
Like, who watches it?
My department.
Your Department of the Airports?
Yes.
And the TSA of the United
Not
States?
TSA. No.
You're not the TSA? You're the
No.
police?
Okay, so we're going to walk downstairs. We're going to go to one of our patrol cars.
Here, I just have to breathe. Can I have water first, please?
No.
You're not gonna give me water.
No, ma'am. Not after the scene you just caused. We can have water later.
What did I do?
You just threw yourself on the ground.
I sat down.
You did not sit down. You undid your
That's
dress.
bullshit.
You exposed yourself to everyone in the airport.
It's hot,
You're
and I
going
asked
to
for
jail.
water.
You're being arrested.
Okay. I'm not gonna fight you. Promise.
Well, you already did a little bit.
Sorry. Jeff? Can I just call you Jeff?
Yeah, what's your name?
Sarah.
Okay, Sarah. Just try to calm down, okay?
Can I have some water? I have a bottle. I just need to fill it up. I just want water.
Hold that door.
Water!
You guys are heading back towards. Go down the ramp now.
I want water! Give me water! I need water! No!
Come on.
You'll get water later. Let's go. You're not gonna give me water? You're kidding me?
Let's go! Walk down the stairs now. Walk down the stairs.
I just want water. My mouth is so dry.
Will you get that?
No. I did see adults take up, but that's legal, right? Maybe like a couple hours ago, right before I walked to the terminal. Right before. Attention. Attention. Resistors. Must ID.
I'll search her.
I'll be.
No.
I'm just dehydrated. It's hot and I need water. And they won't give me any water.
Officers told the passenger why the airline had asked her to leave. According to the officer on tape, the passenger had exposed herself to the other passengers on board. The passenger then argued with officers in the gate area, accusing them of jurisdictional overreach, and refused to walk forward on her own.
I'll cooperate when I get water.
No, you're going to cooperate and then we'll get you water.
Stand in front of the car.
No, it doesn't make any sense.
That's what's going to happen.
I want water. I want water. I'll cooperate when I get water. No, go ahead. I'm not hiding anything.
Spread your legs. No, we haven't even gotten one. Turn around. Okay. Walk this way.
Yes.
Nice. Thank you. What's your first name?
Sergeant.
Sergeant? Thank you, Sergeant. I'm tall.
You are tall.
Go to the other side.
Can I get some water?
You'll get water.
I know, but my mouth is so dry, it's hard to talk.
Okay, you'll get water. If you stop talking, your mouth might not be so dry.
Okay, I'll shut up. I can be quiet.
We're getting you water.
You look good.
So did you only take Delta 8 or did you take something else?
No,
And you haven't had any alcohol today?
correct. I'm on sabbatical since May 5th, 2022. I'm on sabbatical, so I'm not drinking.
Okay.
Can I call my husband?
You can call your husband at booking.
At where?
At booking?
Is that when we get there?
Yes.
So I'm not going to be able to go home.
Probably not.
Not today.
Definitely not.
What's hurting me?
Well, they're not made to be comfortable.
Yeah, I can see that now. This is definitely my first time getting arrested. Check that off the bucket list.
So, I can't take your cuffs off, but
You can feed me? I mean, give me the...
yeah.
Put it up higher so it's
Yeah. I just don't want you to pour it all over yourself on accident.
You ever feel like you're living in a dream? That's what I feel like right now.
You didn't get arrested for asking for water. For screaming in the middle of the airport, taking your dress off, and resisting arrest. You were screaming. Okay, what's a good phone number for you? Hoffman, come here. What do you do for work?
You mean like... What
Get in the car and learn something. What do you do for work?
you mean like...
Like, what do you do for work? What's your job?
I don't have a job.
Okay. Okay, Sarah, what do you need to come with you?
Can I have water first?
You can have water once you get inside.
Okay. What did you say?
You can take one bag with you.
Okay, just one out of the three?
Yes.
Okay, you will unlock me from here? Or you want me to tell you which one?
I need you to tell me which one.
Let me think. Let me see. So we have... I'm trying to remember what I have in the car. I'm sorry. It's so hard to remember when you don't have water.
I'm going to assume it's probably the blue bag.
Yes, Louis. Yes.
Okay. Go to the other side and unbuckle her seatbelt.
I like your watch, although I'm not an Apple user. I think that they're like the dark side.
I see.
Android is better.
Okay.
Hi.
So,
Austin, hi.
I'll have you step out for me, Sarah.
Okay. This might take a minute because I'm tall.
I know you're tall. Yeah, grab her blue
Give me some
backpack.
water.
You'll get water inside.
Okay. Hold on. I feel like I'm like moving slow. Like I'm fatigued, like emotionally exhausted. You know that I do research on burnout?
Yeah, you said that.
Oh, I did? Mm-hmm. Nice. Yeah, I want to end burnout and I want to end mental illness and I want to have world peace.
Okay.
And I want a Nobel Peace Prize.
We're going to walk to that door over there. Come on.
I was saying hi. What's
I'm
my
sure
hi?
you guys will get some time to talk.
Who?
You two.
Can I?
Come on. You can fix it inside. No.
It's hard to walk with this thing on.
We're almost there.
Okay.
We're just going to that door right there.
Sorry, my hair is in my mouth. Can you take it out? I feel my mouth. My mouth is so dry. Thank you. I appreciate you. I will be eternally grateful for you. It's Kay Smith.
Yep.
What was your name?
Yeah. You can sit down if you want.
Okay.
They'll be in here in just a minute and then you can get some water, okay?
What does this mean?
It's just saying that they might pepper spray you if you do something wrong.
So I should like follow the rules.
Yes.
Okay. And you want me to sit down?
You
I
can.
have contact lenses, okay?
Okay, so you just need to tell the medical staff if you want to take them out.
Okay.
Okay, so I've got some questions. They're yes or no's.
Okay.
Are you sick, injured, or suicidal?
No.
Do you have a pacemaker or medical device implant?
Negative.
Chemotherapy or radiation in the last 30 days?
No.
Any chance that you're pregnant at this time?
Negative.
Do you have any drugs or contraband on you that you would need to give your arresting officer?
No. You pulled out. Go ahead.
All right. You don't have any drugs or contraband. She's got a couple of
Any
questions.
what drugs?
Drugs or contraband that you need to give your officer.
Condiments?
Contraband.
I'm sorry.
The woman was charged with 3 misdemeanors: indecent exposure, disorderly conduct, and resisting arrest. During the transport, she told officers it was her first arrest and that she had been sober since May 5, 2022. Airport police asked the airline to deboard the entire plane before making the arrest, a step that is taken when officers cannot extract a passenger without disrupting every other person on board. Public updates on the outcome of that case were not located. Subscribe to Airport Bodycams.